Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add pictures on Canva application. So here, first thing we have to do is open the Canva application, and this is the look when you in a Canva application. So and now the next is just creating the new project by clicking this plus button. So you can choose the form for the canvas that already suggested by the Canva application, but if you want to edit directly from the pictures that you have on a device, you just need to click a start creating from your media, and now you just need exploring the pictures. Okay, and after you find it, you just need to click it and click use in a new design. And now here you already have a canvas with a picture that you already chose before. So for the next, to add a picture like in the top of this canvas that have a picture on it, you just by click this plus button and you will be generated into the upload. So the upload means you will already have a pictures that you upload in the Canva before, but if you have no picture that you want to have, or you want to upload the new one, you can just click a camera roll, so you will be generated into your media or your device. So you can just need to choose which picture that you want to add into the Canva. For example, I want to have this as well as this, and after you then just click add to page, and now you already have 3 photos that you want in the top of the photo on your Canva. And now you just need to adjusting the position for each photos that you add. So adjusting the photos, as well as you can also adjusting the size. If you want to make it smaller, just drag this corner into the inner side, but if you want to make it bigger, just drag it in the outer side. Okay, you can also doing a crop instantly for this picture by adjusting this 3 straight line here, right there. If you want to crop instantly, you can just drag those line. So let's crop it right there. Okay, and now adjusting the positions. Okay, and it will be the same for each photos that you have on your project. Okay, right there. And for the last photo, adjusting the size and positions. Okay, so after we satisfied with every edit, we just need to click this button to export and download this edit into our device. That's all the way how to add picture on a Canva application. If you find this tutorial useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.